Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be discuss about how to start a Shopify business. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. To start a Shopify business, follow these 9 steps. Step 1. Choose an e-commerce platform. An e-commerce platform lets you build and create an online experience, make sales, and fulfill orders. Most people think an e-commerce platform is like a website builder. You simply list new products and accept payments online, but they can do so much more than that. Your e-commerce platform acts as the control center of your entire business, controlling everything from inventory to marketing, giving you all the tools you need to sell online and provide customer support. Step 2. Decide on a target audience. A target audience is the group of people your marketing efforts are focused on when starting an e-commerce business. Knowing your ideal audience is critical. It helps you find new customers easier and attract interested buyers to your website, resulting in higher conversion rates and more sales. You can make an audience of any size or attribute depending on what products you plan to sell. Step 3. Choose your products. One of the biggest challenges entrepreneurs face in finding profitable products to sell. Coming up with product ideas a bit tricky, but if you have a target audience in mind, you are one step ahead. Fortunately, there are plenty of opportunities to find products to sell, whether you're manufacturing, reselling, or dropshipping. Step 4. Design your site. Before we begin, you will need to start a free trial of Shopify. If you follow this guide, the 14-day trial should give you more than enough time to create an online store that's ready to launch. Keep in mind that you can continue to add products and improve your store after it goes live. Step 5. Connect a payment gateway. Step 6. Choose a business structure. Now you have finished all the fun parts of starting an online store: choosing your name, building your site, finding products, writing product descriptions. But before you launch, you want to make your new business legal. Well, it's not the most fun part. Incorporating your business is a must. A legal entity recognized by the government also protects your personal assets if something goes wrong. Step 7. Get your store ready for launch. With all the work you have done so far, we could actually launch our store now if we wanted to. Step 8. Launch your store. And the final step, marketing is different for every business, but regardless for your strategy, it's important to set up the right foundation as soon as you can so you can get the most out of your efforts as you drive traffic to your store. So this is how we can start a Shopify business. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links and descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.